Un, deux, trois, go!
T'as voulu voir Vierzon et on a vu Vierzon. T'as voulu voir Vesoul et on a vu Vesoul. T'as voulu voir Honfleur et on a vu Honfleur. T'as voulu voir Hambourg et on a vu Hambourg. J'ai voulu voir Anvers, on a revu Hambourg. J'ai voulu voir ta sœur et on a vu ta mère, comme toujours.
I'm sharing with you the shame.
Dans tes grands yeux noirs, je me suis perdue. J'attends un regard, le cœur suspendu. Je t'aime tellement fort, toi qui me fais peur. Est-ce un mauvais sort ou la mauvaise heure?
I'm sharing with you the shame.
Il revient à ma mémoire des souvenirs familiers. Je revois ma blouse noire lorsque j'étais écolier.
I'm sharing with you the shame.
Sur le chemin de l'école, je chantais à pleine voix des romances sans paroles, vieilles chansons d'autrefois. Faites-vous la guerre pour me faire la cour. Soyez gangster, soyez voyous.
London, such a lonely place to live without money.
Toi mon trou, mon loupard, tu serais mon lascar superstar. J'ai tellement besoin d'amour, de tes bras, de ta voix de loup. Sortez de là et les bijoux.
London, such a lonely place to live without money. I'm sharing with you the shame. Don't overcook the liver. Don't overcook the liver. Keep it pink on the inside.
As long as I gaze up, want to listen and say, I hope who is the man that would risk his neck for his brother man? Can you dig it? Who's the cat that won't cop out when there's danger all about?
It's all about the consistency of the mash. A bit like how George Clinton Parliament Funkadelic sang, "Where's the lumps in my gravy?" Don't overcook the liver. Don't overcook the liver. Keep it pink on the inside. For years, the Place in the Sun was going to be in Andalusia, half an hour to the beach, half an hour to the ski slope in the mountains above Granada. There's a valley, Lanjaron. But Spain started getting a bit strange on foreigners because of the Russians. And really, you're either there or you're not. You can't. The drive, can you imagine the drive from England to Andalusia? It's 8 to 12 hours to the Alps. That's much more doable. With a 36-hour trip, I think the whole reuse, repurpose concept might have been knocked on the head. I think I might be doing SRAM walls and my own Adobe bricks type podcast. But hey, with all that EU funding that Spanish got, the roads are so much better. Adobo. Don't be confused. One is a wet and dried earth brick. The other is a very tasty liver meal.
So easily done. Don't overcook the liver. Bunk.
As a regular visitor, you try and find more and more obscure things to do. Was it Brick Lane Flower Market at a previous time?
But I don't need no friend.
The jumble of garage that I showed you wasn't that bad, because it was in the neighbour's garage as well, but they wanted it emptied, so the yellow Rolls Royce there is packed to the hilt, ready to roll.
Halcyon days spent alone.
Moi j'ai si peur dans le noir. J'ai tellement besoin d'amour, de tes bras, de ta voix de velours.
I'm sharing with you the shame.
J'ai tellement besoin d'amour, tu ferais de moi ta belle de jour.
Certainly not of the quality of the drawings.
J'ai tellement besoin d'amour.
But sketchy look. The iterant design.
Maintenant battez-vous. Maintenant battez-vous.
There's definitely a strategy to slightly inaccurate drawings that you know work. I've had so many planning drawings come into me to be construction detailed that
Girls will be boys and boys will be girls. It's a mixed up world of sugar and
1.5 head height in a loft space, floor to ceiling is the most extreme one.